Everyone, welcome back to my channel. That was kind of weird. Welcome back to my channel. It's Breanna Nicole, and today I'm here with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing a hair oil, and I don't think I've done a hair video in a while. I don't really remember, but it's time for me to kind of talk about this oil that I've been using. I think I've been using it for the past 2-3 weeks, not really sure, somewhere in there. And this oil is very unique, and it just looks like this, a plain like brownish bottle filled with oil. It has no label. So let's start off with the backstory. I needed a hair oil. I saw this advertised on Instagram from the actual owner who created this hair oil, and it's called Meraki hair growth or hair oil. And she does have her own website where you can buy it, purchase it, look at testimonies, and learn more about the oil. But I am here to tell you guys about the oil so you guys don't have to do all the reading yourself. So I think it's kind of cool that this woman created this hair oil and used it for herself first, and then once she saw that it was really working and it saved her hair, she decided to sell it, and I think that's really cool. So this oil is super unique, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. So this oil, like I said, in this little brown bottle, is super unique because it has 36 different oils in one bottle. 36, guys. And I know a lot of people are just like, what's the point? 36 different oils. Like, I mean, you can kind of get away with 2, 3, maybe 4 oils and you're fine. For me, I'm like, the more the merrier. And I think it's pretty awesome that there's 36 different oils in here. She does list a few on her website, which I'll have it linked down below, and also her Instagram. I'll have it linked down below, you know, all of that, so you guys can go check it out for yourselves. But I think that is one of the most unique aspects of this oil. It does have quite a strong smell when you put it in your hands or your hair, and I can't really put my finger on it, like what it exactly smells like, but it does have quite a strong smell, but it does go away. It doesn't like linger throughout the day or anything. So she does recommend that you apply it like once a week or up to every other day, but you don't need to apply it daily. So the only thing that I can say about this oil that I can say it's a con is that it's super pricey. So the oil itself is $38, which I think is a good price because you get 36 different oils in there, and if you think about it, each oil is probably a few dollars a piece. So I thought that was like a bargain, but she does ship from Canada, so the shipping price knocks that up, and it's an extra $15. So all in all, this is like a $60 oil, and wow, never in my life did I think that I would spend so much on a hair oil, but I really did want to try it because of how unique it was. So like I said, she used this on herself, and she has before and after pictures of her using the oil and her hair growth progress and all of that on her Instagram, and I think that it's super incredibly cool, her hair growth progress and how far her hair has come just from using the oil, and of course taking care of her hair. That's one like misconception about hair growth oils or hair growth anything, is that people think that they can use them and like so treat their hair badly or like do whatever to their hair and the hair is gonna grow. Some people have that luck. Some people don't have to do anything to their hair and their hair grows no matter what. But for the vast majority, people need to take care of their hair and take care of it properly, and adding a hair growth oil, pill, whatever, just kind of is an aid, and it kind of helps speed up the rate of hair growth. That's the whole purpose of it. It's not going to make you all of a sudden Rapunzel in a night, so I think that just needed to be said. So like I said, it's an expensive oil for the price, but if you live in Canada, then I guess it's not that bad. But I live in the States, so I had to pay the $15 for shipping out of Canada, which I thought was really pricey. At the end of the day, for the oil, the shipping usually does kind of rock the boat a little bit, you know, like you okay with the price for the item, but then when you put the item in your cart and you look at the shipping price, it's kind of just like, do I really need this? But like I said, I really wanted to try it. So I've been using it for a few weeks now, and only been using it for a few weeks, so I can't say anything like miraculous about it. Like, it's not just like, oh my god, my hair, you know, it was shoulder bone length and like now all of a sudden it's to my knees. Like, no, it's not like that. But I do really like it because it gives my hair a nice shine. It makes it easier to manage, and it does make my hair like really soft when I use it. So I like seeing those things in my hair. At least I see some type of results in my hair. I guess I will keep you guys updated. Probably not making a whole video about this, because when I make videos about hair products that claim to grow your hair, like I did with the virgin fertilizer, A lot of people liked it, but also like I got a lot of comments saying like, oh, you know, you can just do this, that, and the third, and like that's not the purpose of the video. Otherwise I would have done that, and the third, but I didn't. So I'm probably not gonna make a video about it, so I'll probably keep you guys updated through Snap or Instagram or Twitter. So the best thing to do is to follow me on all of my social media, especially Snapchat. That is probably my most used app for keeping you guys updated because it's quick and easy to use. So if you don't have me on Snapchat, go ahead and add me right now. Make sure you do it because that's where I keep you guys updated and you guys can see how amazing my life is because I'm always on Snapchat. Just kidding. But when I do want to update you guys, that's what I use. So all in all, I can't say just yet if I would recommend this oil to everybody, but if you're looking for an oil that has a ton of different ones in it and you are willing to pay that price, then go ahead and try it for yourself. Everyone does have different results though, so keep that in mind. What works for one person may not work for you. That's kind of the thing with hair. It's just trial and error, so you have to kind of weigh your options and see, you know, what fits for you, what will work best for you, and see. But like I said, I'll definitely keep you guys updated on this, and definitely add me on all my social media so you guys can see. If you like me doing videos like these, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you are notified as soon as I upload a video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Hey guys, so I decided to take this picture, and I never take a picture of the length of my hair because then I tend to focus too much on the length rather than the out. But I decided to take this picture of my length, and I'm absolutely shooketh. Like, I've never had my curly hair this long, so I'm absolutely very happy with the hair growth oil.